Animals of the jungle, come here. I have an exciting challenge for everyone.
What kind of challenge, O King?
Whoever brings me the golden flower from the mountaintop will be the hero of this jungle.
You compete with us? You'll reach next week. You might still be halfway when we return.
Slow steps with focus go farther than fast feet without direction.
Ugh, these vines are too slippery.
Which way was
I'll
it?
rest a little. Keep moving, one step at a time.
Step by step, the flower is waiting. Patience always wins. So this is the golden flower. It's beautiful.
He actually did it.
The tortoise brought the flower.
Patience and focus always find the way. The tortoise has won. He is the true hero of our jungle.
If you like this story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Vini Short Story for more fun and moral tales.